Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we will have a look at the search settings in Google search engine, the basic options that you can customize. Now first click on settings, then click on search settings. The first section is search results. You can start with save search filters. Enabling this option will help you hide explicit content, which is always recommended, especially if you have children that are using the computer. The next one is the results per page, how many results you want to get per page. The default is 10. You can increase it to 20, 30, even to 100, and of course 100 will be much slower than 10. For me, I'll select 20. The next one is autocomplete with trending searches. This way, whenever you search for a term, Google will suggest for some phrases based on your region and what's trending on your location or country. Personally, I'll select do not show popular searches. The next one is system answers, is spoken answers. If you search by voice, you can select either spoken answers or just text. Select the one that you prefer. The next one is when results open. If you want, the search results will open on the same search page or on a separate window. Personally, I prefer search results to open on separate windows, so I will enable this option. The next one is search customization, which basically means that Google will customize the search results based on your Google account and search history. You can click on customize to enable or disable this option. The next one is region settings. You can select your country or location. Now in the second section, you can select your preferred language, both for Google and for search results. Select the language that you prefer. The next one is appearance. From here you can select either the light theme or the dark theme, or you can keep it on device default, so it will change based on your device theme. Personally, I prefer the dark theme, so I will select dark. Now to change it, click on save. And the final one is help. From here you will find some common questions and answers. If you are interested, you can check this section. And to get better search results, I recommend using advanced search. From here you can add the search keyword and you can filter the search results by language, region. You can also select file format if you are looking for a PDF file or a video or a zip file, for example. And you can also select usage rights if you are looking for files to use without any copyright problems, so you can use them on your content, even commercially. You will also find two other settings: data search and search history, which means you can disable both these options if you don't want Google to customize your search results based on your Google account or your search history. And you can also enable or disable the dark theme from here. Personally, I use Start Page as my default search engine. This is a more private search engine that you can use. You can also use DuckDuckGo, another powerful search engine. And in terms of search results and features, Google is definitely the best out there. Now, if you don't want personalized search results, you can use a VPN service to hide your IP address. And you should also use Google without signing to your Google account, so all the search results you will get won't be personalized. Now, if you care about your privacy, you can check my video about the best private search engines. And you can also check my video about the best private web browsers for a more private browsing experience. And of course, if this video was useful, a like will be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, bye.